my channel. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. I post content like this for Nasdaq and US 30 and the other derivative instruments. So let's get down to it. Today I want to share with you guys how you can make money on the market using trend lines, right? So trend lines are like a popular topic in the forex world, or okay, my thing is so slow in like the trading world. But the big question is, how can you utilize it to make money? Okay, so for this video I won't be using any indicators, so it's going to be pure price action. All right, so what you want to do, firstly, I just want to make sure that you guys understand what trend lines are and how you can identify them. If you already know that, you can just skip the video. All right, I'll tell you guys on the comments, skip it to it or whatever. I just want to show you guys. So for this, I'd like to go either to H1 or H4 and show you guys exactly how you can utilize it. So if you are new and you're not really sure how to identify a swing point, you can use fractals. Okay, so fractals just point out all the swing points for you. Okay, so let me just start, guys. So how the market moves, it's either it's trading or consolidating. You guys know this, right? Now with identifying these trend lines or whatever, so the trend lines are gonna tell you where the market is trending to. All right, so what you want a swing point. All right, as you can see, this is one swing point. Basically the swing point is where price turned from the swing. Here's another one. There it is. There it is. Already, as you can see, this whole thing is pointing to the downside. Okay, it's like pointing to the downside, so already you can get an idea of what's happening. All right, so as you can see here, it's trending to the downside. Obviously, you know that saying that the trend is your mark. Yeah, the trend is your friend. Yes, it is. Okay, so how you can capitalize this in most cases is to, let me just show you guys on this one, right? Because it's more clearer compared to this one. So as you can see here, it was trending to the downside, and then this was the recent swing point, which is the lower high. Okay, so the moment this swing point gets broken by an impulsive candle, you see what happened, guys? So this is the swing point. Price broke it, showing you that now it wants to form higher highs, higher lows, and that's what you want to catch. You want to catch those moves to the upside. So now it broke this, came back here, gave us a full rejection, showing us that, ooh, I'm not going up, and that's what exactly happened. It went up. Okay, so with trend lines, you don't necessarily have to trade when the price comes back to touch the trend lines or stuff like that. You can utilize the support and resistance like here. When price broke this point, came back to it, that's what you can try and utilize. Okay, so there we go. Let me just show this one. Alright, so this one is not really that clear, but you guys get the whole idea. You can also use an indicator for this, but come on guys, we all can see this. It's quite very clear. Okay, it's quite very clear. Oh gosh, my thing is so slow. I don't like complaining. Alright, so these are the ways you can trade trend lines. And I like this so much, guys. Break and retest. Believe it or not, there it works. Okay, here's a very good example here where you generally wait for price to break a certain swing point, break it. So you see it broke it very nicely, impulsively, came back to retest it, and then went down. Okay, so as you can see here, it's also those swing points that I've just talked about. Currently, as you can see, Nasdaq looks a little bit choppy here, looks a little bit trendy, but if you are trading the smaller time frames, you can definitely capitalize on this. So guys, I'm gonna post a part 2 of this video where I'm gonna go into great detail with the stop loss, take profit, and everything. So if you want to make sure you do not miss that video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications button so that you can see when I upload the next one. I'm quite excited about this. This one was just over the surface. And if you found this video nice and you like listening to me, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Ciao, guys.